How would you like to earn $100 to $500 sales without websites by pulling traffic? Will you be interested? You need to watch this short video. Hi, my name is Joey, from Smartpreneur. There aren't many impressive methods and systems out there. In fact, the majority of products are rehashed versions of old stuff from 2012 that is far overcrowded. It's always SEO this, content that, FB ads this, affiliate marketing that. Don't you want something a little more fresh? Something that has very little competition, but massive payouts. Well, allow me to introduce NewB, a new system that pulls $500 sales to you. Without a website, without traffic, without competition and without hidden fees or upfront expenses, this baby will bring you massive paydays with ease. How? It's all about low supply, high demand services that customers desperately want to buy but can't find where. And what's great about the NewB system is not only that they tell you how to set it up in 10 minutes. Here's how NewB brings in $50, $100 commission in 3 simple steps. Step number 1. Follow the training. Step number 2. Use the premium theme and plugins vault. Step number 3. Make easy commissions. Take a sneak peek inside by watching this short demo video.
Hello and welcome to this short demo video. In this one I'm going to show you exactly what you are going to get inside our product and platform. So what you can see right now on the screen is the welcome page, and you will find some details about how the platform works here. Then I'm going to scroll down, and if you have purchased the main, let's say the main product, you will have access to the main membership. So we are going to click on this button. You may see some small alterations in the final product, but let's say the main overview will be like the one you see in this demo video. So we are going in the main membership right now. And you'll see it's very simple to use. Basically, we have focused a lot on the quality of the product and what we are delivering to you. So we have made the membership itself and the platform itself very intuitive and easy for you to get access to all of the places and the resources that we put at your disposal. So this will be basically the main page where you get access to the training and to the resources. That means the themes and the plugins. So this is the WordPress Premium Vault Lite, so the main product. And if you are going to click on this button, you will access the training area. And I will show you in a second how it looks like. And then you will have another 3 buttons here. One is for the plugin section. So in this section you are going to be able to download your plugins, and we have splitted the selection of themes that we put at your disposal on 2 different pages, okay, so that it's easier for you to let's say to go through them and to see them and to download the ones that you actually need. And then if you are going to scroll down this page, you will be able to download your bonuses from here. You just have to click on this button. Then you have a button for the main area, so to go back to the welcome page. And if you decide to upgrade, which is what we recommend you, to the gold version of the membership, where you have access to extra themes and plugins which are very useful, and recommend you to do this, you can do it from this button here. Now let me show you how the training area looks like. I will click on this button here, access the training area. So basically this will be the training area. You see you have a button here, go back to the Vault main page. So this will take you back to the main page where you can download the themes and plugins and bonuses and so on. And if you scroll down, you will find the lectures from the training. Okay, so we'll have lecture 1, lecture 2. For now, you'll have 9 lectures in this training, like 9 modules, which will walk you through on how to get these clients, okay, and how to start making sales and how to make money with this. Okay, so this is the training area, very easy to follow. Okay, as you can see. Now let me go back to the main page. So 9 short lectures to the point that will explain you exactly how to profit with this, okay, and how to start to make money and sell. Now let me show you exactly how to access the plugins and the themes and to download them. So let's go to the plugin section. Okay, bear with me for a couple of seconds. So we have 50 premium plugins that you can download. Okay, and you'll see that you have like a small thumbnail for each of the plugins, the title and the description, and the download button for each of them. Okay, you just have to scroll down and you can access. Let me show you how to download them. You just click on the download button, you click OK, and it will download it on your computer. Then you can install it directly in the WordPress website where you want to use it. Okay, it's as easy as that, not complicated at all. Let me go back to the main page. Okay, for the themes it works the same. Let's enter page number 1 from the theme section. So 100 premium themes, main offer, page 1. Okay, so we'll have 50 on this one, 50 on the other page. And for the themes, you will see that for most of them you will have also the view demo. So here you can basically, if you click on this link, you will view a demo of that specific theme that you want to download and use. And let me show you, for example, design architect responsive. If you click view demo, okay, we can scroll down and see how this theme would look like on their page on the website. And if you click on the download button, it will happen the same thing as for the plugins. Okay, now let me go back. So pretty much this is it. It's very easy to use, as you can see, very intuitive. You just have direct access to the resources, direct access to the training area. You might see in the final product some small alterations. We just wanted to share this demo video for you before we launch the product, so you can actually have a look at it and see exactly what you will get and how easy it will be for you to access everything. Thank you for watching, and we hope you will enjoy our new product.
Here's what I like with this NewB. No high ticket, no chasing clients, no SEO, no social media. It's not what you think, trust me. It's super unique and very, very profitable. Grab your copy of NewB today with our exclusive bonuses that you can access inside the members area. Just click the link below on the description to access and start making $100 to $500 a day. See you at the inside.